This is my resume project, and my name is Caleb Rogers. My credentials: general understanding of Excel, understanding of Word and word mechanics, able to insert formulas into Excel and change numerical and physical data, able to create charts and chart data in Excel. Past works for Excel: I worked on Lab 5 data for a chemistry project. um, City of Hanu Point. And for Word, we have Next Wave Communications, Energy Systems, The Future is Electric, and Remote Work. Lab 5 data. This was data I had to create in Excel for a chemistry project, specifically on stoichiometry and reactions and the math for these reactions. Why? It is where my data was stored for said project. It was separated into two pages. And in this project, I had to insert numerical data in the form of formulas to effectively create chemical formulas. And for this, I had to take the data from said charts and basically put them together in their separate rows and columns, and basically take that data and create formulas using the data. Um, this project was my first introduction to Excel and where I discovered a general understanding of the application of it. City of Hanu Point. City of Hanu Point is an Excel page I worked on for CSC this semester. I was tasked with making certain corrections to the page. I was tasked with adding data and making cosmetic changes specifically to the page. For example, changing the title and adding data by inserting formulas from the information already given on the page. This assignment is where I began to be more comfortable with the mechanics of Excel and inserting data. Furthermore, I began to feel more comfortable with changing the cosmetics of an Excel page. Next Wave Communications. Next Wave Communications was another CSC assignment, this time in Word, that I had to work on and correct. There were corrections that needed to be made, such as spelling correction, spacing, and font. When it comes to correcting the spelling, all it is a right click and it will show you the correct spelling. When it comes to the font changes and other cosmetic changes under home page, um, under font in the top bar, which is also where other options for further editing is located, such as review and layout changes. Energy systems. The future is electric. Energy systems is a CSE project through Microsoft Word that I was tasked to work on. Um, as many of as many of my CSE projects, there were corrections that needed to be made to the document. And one thing that really stood out to me in this assignment was the note left by the supposed author. Not only did I have some minor spelling errors to correct, but I was tasked with adding footnotes as well as a supporting citation for a sentence. Remote work. Another CSC assignment through Word. I was tasked with making certain corrections to said document. In this specific assignment, I was tasked with not only inserting missing information from the text into the document, but also inserting text boxes to separate specific portions, as well as shapes for information and infographics to hold and specify eye-catching information and small points. This time was not my introduction to adding word art uh, and infographics to a Word document, but it is where I began to feel most comfortable doing so. Critical thinking skills involved in working on projects. Um, Problem solving, being able to identify issues or challenges in your data or document and develop effective solutions is crucial. This involves breaking down complex problems into manageable tasks, applying logical reasoning to address them. Data analysis. Excel is a powerful tool for thinking skills to interpret the results accurately. This includes understanding statistical concepts, identifying trends and patterns in data, and drawing meaningful conclusions from the analysis. Uh, why? Efficiency. Problem solving skills help you uh, effectively address issues that arise while working with Excel and Word, saving time and effort in finding solutions. Accuracy. Attention to detail ensures that your data analysis and document uh, formatting are accurate, um, minimizing errors and avoiding costly mistakes. Insightful analysis. Data analysis skills enable you to extract meaningful insights from your data, leading to better decision making and strategic planning. Effective communication. Logical reasoning skills help you structure your documents, presentations in a clear and coherent manner, making it easier for others to understand and interpret your findings. And lastly, innovation. Creativity allows you to think outside the box and find creative ways to use Excel and Word to solve problems and present information, leading to more impactful and engaging outputs. Now, how would these skills apply? Problem solving in Excel. Scenario. You need to calculate the average sales and revenue for each quarter for a large database. Approach. Use problem solving skills to break down the task into smaller steps. For example, identify the necessary columns containing sales data, filter the data by quarter, calculate the average revenue for each quarter using Excel function like average or pivot tables, and verify the accuracy of the results. A lot of times, it would be such and such, where like let's say average, uh, divided by quarter, and you would fit that into a formula. Attention to detail in Word. So another scenario. You are creating a report that requires precise formatting and consistent styling throughout. Applying attention to detail by carefully formatting headings, paragraphs, etc., bullet points to ensure consistency in font size, style, and assignment. Double check spelling and grammar. Use use indentation and spacing consistently, and ensure proper use of headings and subheadings to ensure readability and clarity. Logical reasoning in Excel. Scenario again, you're analyzing sales data to identify trends and patterns over time. Apply logical reasoning to interpret the data effectively. For example, use logical functions like if, and, or to categorize data into different groups based on specific criteria. Create charts and graphs to visualize trends and patterns, and use logical reasoning to draw conclusions from the data, such as identifying seasonal sales, trends, or correlations between variables. Summary. Critical thinking skills play a pivotal role in Excel and Word, enabling professionals to analyze data and create documents and uh, make informed decisions effectively and efficiently. By applying these skills, uh, individuals can enhance their productivity, accuracy, and success in various professional endeavors. Thank you.